Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 7th we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11 for chapter 7 structure organization in animals. So let's start with the video. Question first. Frog's heart when taken out of the body continues to beat for some time. Select the best option from the following statement. The first option is frog does not have any coronary circulation. Option B is frog is poikilothermic. Option C is heart is autoexcitable. And fourth is heart is myogenic in nature. A option is first and third, B option is only third, and C option is first and second, and D option is third and fourth. The right answer is option D, which is third and fourth. Question second. This feature is not found in Periplaneta americana. Option A is indeterminate and radial cleavage during embryonic development. Option B is caesiocoelom as the body cavity. Option C is metamerically segmented body. And option D, exoskeleton composed of N-acetyl glucosamine. And the right answer is option A, indeterminate and radial cleavage during embryonic development. Question third. Sperms in male cockroaches are stored in which part of the reproductive system? Option A is vas deferens. Option B is testes. Option C is mushrooms glands. And option D is seminal vesicle. The right answer is option D, seminal vesicles. Question fourth. Function of gap junction is to option A is facilitate communication between adjoining cells by connecting cytoplasm of rapid transfer of iron, small molecules and some large molecules. Option B is stop substance from leaking across a tissue. Option C is separate two cells from each other. And option D is performing cementing to keep neighboring cells together. The right answer is option A, facilitate communication between adjoining cells by connecting cytoplasm of rapid transfer of iron, some small molecules and some large molecules. Question 5th. Pick the correctly matched pair. Option A is cartilage, loose connective tissue. Option B is adipose tissue, dense connective tissue. Option C is areolar tissue, loose connective tissue. And option D is tendon, specialized connective tissue. The right answer is option C, areolar tissue, which is loose connective tissue. Question 6. Compared to those of humans, erythrocytes and frogs are option A is nucleated and without hemoglobin. Option B is nucleated and with hemoglobin. Option C is without nucleus but with hemoglobin. And option D is very much smaller and fewer. The right answer is option B, nucleated and with hemoglobin. Question 7. One very special feature in the earthworm is that option A, the tryptosol greatly increase the effective absorption area of the digestive food in the intestine. Option B, it has a long dorsal tubular heart. Option C, fertilization of eggs occurs inside the body. And option D is the S-shaped sphere embedded in the integument are the defensive weapons used against the enemies. The right answer is option A. The tryptosol greatly increase the effective absorption area of the digestive food in the intestine. Question 8. Frog differs from human in possessing option A is nucleated red blood cells, option B is paired cerebral hemispheres, option C is hepatic portal system, and option D thyroid as well as the parathyroid. The right answer is option A, nucleated red blood cells. Question 9. This is a true description of an animal. Option A is earthworm. The alimentary canal consists of the sequence of pharynx, esophagus, stomach, gizzard and intestine. Option B, rat. Left kidney is slightly higher in the position than the right one. Option C is cockroach. 10 pairs of spiracles, 8 pairs of the abdomen and 2 pairs on the thorax. Option D, frog body divisible into 3 regions, head, neck and trunk. The right answer is option C, cockroach. 10 pairs of spiracles, 8 pairs of the abdomen and 2 pairs on the thorax. The last question for this lecture is, in which of the following preparations are you likely to come across cell junctions most frequently? Option A is hyaline cartilage, option B is thrombocytes, and option C is ciliated epithelium, and option D is tendon. The right answer is option C, ciliated epithelium.